Hey guys, so in our previous video we added a line separator to actually separate the top menu buttons and the hyperlinks. Now to create our hyperlinks, it's just, let's say, a button. So we just need a button. So we need two buttons. Now you can just do tut, maybe tutorial. So tut uh, button or tut label. Let me do it a label being equal to. Now tut label being equal to a button, then I think we need to pass in the base as the parent. Then a border should be 0. So let me bring it to this line. Okay, I think this also should be another line so that it looks good. So give it a new line and like this. Okay, then okay, so our base would be base. Then we need a border should be 0. Okay, then I think an active background will be bad, so foreground of white, uh, and the active background should be blue. Then we will need a relief. Okay, so it should be raised. Okay, I think the comma should be here. Okay, so we have our tut label in place, so we need to place it on the. Okay, we need a text. Okay, so text being equal to tutorials. Okay, so it should be a string. Now tut label being equal to, oh sorry, it should be dot place. Then I'll anchor it to the center. So anchor center. Then a row of x being equal to 0.2. Then row of y being equal to 0.5. Okay, so we have those should be the tutorials hyperlink or hyper button or something. Yeah, so we have it in place now. So we can hit it again and check for our updated uh yeah. Okay, so it's actually here, which is so bad. So let's see. So I think we need to put it in the canvas. So let me try and see. Our top menu won't be bad. Now let's go with the canvas so that we actually follow. So should be in the base, I think. Okay, I think we specified too many real, so here should be. So let's go with 0.02 and 0.05. So let's hit it again. So I need to close the existing one. Okay, so this actually looks good. Okay, so that's what we needed. Then we also can add the vertical bar. I think we had a vertical bar there. So we have a vertical bar there. So we need to add a vertical bar. Okay, so yeah, let's go a bit down so that let's see. I don't know, it's too close. That's what I think. I don't know what you guys think. Yeah, I think that's okay. Then we can add a vertical bar there. So you can see a vertical bar here. So we can add a vertical bar. So it's also in the form of label. So I can just do a tutorial. No, sorry, this should be vertical separator. Then we can have a label. So vertical separator being equal to, then it should be a label. So label, then you have a text. So text being equal, so we need to add a space. So I'll give it 5 spaces. So 1 2 3 4 5. Then we have our vertical. Okay, I need to change my, okay, then I'll change it back. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that's good. So it's even. Then what do we need again? Yeah, I think that's cool. So we have our vertical separator in place. Then we can have it be in place. So vertical separator dot place. Then anchor being equal to center. Well, x we go something like 0.2 or 0.3 to 0.03. Then it should be on the same y, so 0.053. Okay. So let's go again, hit it. Then I need to close this pin. Okay, it's actually getting too close. Okay, and we need to, okay, so we need to push it further away. So let's go again. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so I think this looks good. So let's check on the app. So that's actually on the top. I don't know. So we need to make it at the top. So you just push it at the top. So instead of 0.053, I'll give it 0.05. Then we check it again and see the output. Okay, so it's looking good, I think. Okay, so a bit of a 2 there or a 1 wouldn't be bad. So let's go. Okay, so I think it's a bit okay now. Then we can also have another one being the docs. Okay, so we can just go there again. So our code again, then we add, so we just do a copy and paste from this. Okay, then I think I'll place it here. Then this should be docs. So docs. Okay, this should be docs. Then I'll just do control D here. So docs label. Okay, so docs label. Then the text should be docs. Then our real x should go further. So I think we gave this one a 0.05. So we do same for here. So this should be a 0.07. Yeah. Then we just run our code. Okay, so I'll close this. Should open. Okay, so it's looking good. Yeah. Okay, I think this is entering, so the spaces. So let's give it a 0.8, a 0.08. Yeah, 0.08. So okay, then we go again. So close this. Then okay, I think it's looking good. Yeah, I think so. Let me actually go as 0.05 like this. Yeah, so let me close this. Then okay, so I think it's okay now. Yeah, then we need the last splitter or separator, so we can just go and add it. So I think we have it in place at the top there. So here is it. Yeah, create a line separator, then we come and paste it at the bottom here. Okay, so yeah, then I think we need to specify a real y. So there's actually a 0.053, so we can specify something like a 0.6, a 0.06. Yeah, so reload and see. Okay, it's too close, so we can go a 0.07. Okay, okay, I think this cool. Yeah, so let's compare it with the app. So I think all is fine, and we are actually making progress. Okay, so that's actually, let's say, the top section. So the top menu, then the labels. Okay, so it's really simple. Now we go with the content itself, so that will be in the next video.